Good afternoon. This is Princella from Los Angeles. Everyone should go to the farmer's market. I talked to a person that works at the farmer's market today, and he said if you go into the grocery store and the fruit or vegetables are not in season, then it's a big possibility that they are genetically modified or in a hothouse. So if you go to the farmer's market, or if you go on the internet and you find out what fruits are in season now, then you'll stay away from the foods that are possibly not genetically modified. Also, remember, there's no perfect bell pepper in shape and color. But when you go to the grocery store, you will find bell peppers that are perfect in shape and color. So learn what your vegetables and fruits are that are in season right now, and those are the ones you shop for. Thank you. This is Princella from Los Angeles, and you have a great day. Remember, you redefine youth. Thank you.